at 37, 1, 2. It's the second line from the 37. I don't know what that is. My husband knows what that is. He knows how to read measurements. I don't. But I just wanted you guys to see, like,
Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. It's your girl Tamika. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get into the measurements for the week. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't remember exactly what shirt I had on, but I just wanted to like show you what my body is looking like. Okay. So this is my glute area. I am a 28. Weekly updates. I will do like a monthly update as far as like my measurements and see how I am progressing with my body recomp. So right now I'm just doing my measurements. So right now I am measuring my fupa, which I have it on the wrong way. Now my fupa is a 33. It used to be in the 40s, so 33. The glute area. So this is what my glutes is looking like. This is arched. This is regular. Okay. So you just want to make sure you get around your hip, like right there, and then the glute right there in the middle, not down at the bottom, but right there in the middle. I hope I lost something. Gained something. So it looks like it's close to a 38. So it's 37, the half. So it's like the second line from the 38. So it's like right there. So this is the 38. Oops. 38, and it's the second line. I don't know what that is, but I'm close to a 38. Well, I can. Let me just go ahead and measure that. It is a 20 and a half. So it's a 20 and a half. And my upper thigh is a 23. All right, so now let's measure the arm. It is 11, almost close to 11 and a half. Okay. But, honey, come on. Let's get into that muscle. That's what breast tissue is. It is a 34 and a half, which is about right because I do wear a 34. Which can see exactly how much I lost or how much did I gain. I don't know. I don't even know, girl. Okay, hello gorgeous. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so you just saw the measurements, right? All right, so then I just played the video that I did back in December, and you can tell it was before Christmas because I had like the Christmas gifts and everything behind me. So as you heard, I was close to a 37, and here I am sitting at close to a freaking 38. So your girl has been gaining them gains in that glutes. Yes, yes, yes. So that was mainly my focal point was to like rebuild my glutes and everything. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I am 37 and 3/4. So I'm close to the 38. And I believe I said in here that I was close to 37. I'm not exactly sure. But either way, nevertheless, your girl has gained some little inches or little centimeters or whatever you want to call it. Your girl is getting the gains. Okay, so just keep in mind that was from January. Now, 3 weeks ago, I did started taking creatine by Thorne. Let me get it. One scoop of this here, okay? I am going to be doing a comparison between the other creatine that I do have, but not just yet because I at least want to give it about a month or so before I like start to go ahead and do the comparison. But with this one here, you don't have to front load compared to the other one that I had where I had to front load like 7 days a week. So I would take about 3 or 4 scoops of these. And I believe that's where the water weight came in at. And that's how I was able to gain between 4 to 6 pounds in 1 week because of the front overload. Well, with this one, you don't have to do that. So just in case, if you want to get yourself some creatine, you can go to Amazon and get it. But it costs around $30 to $40. But trust me, it is worth it compared to the little jar that I had. And I have not gained any water weight. Now, because I have increased my calories and, of course, increased my carbs and protein. And what I mean by increase, so instead of me eating between 12 to 1400, I am eating between 15 to 1800. And my protein has increased, so I'm getting over at least the lowest is around 120. The highest I can probably get maybe around 140, depending on what I'm eating. Okay, it's not all the time. And my carbs is between 130 180. So with that, that does help with my muscle recovery. This helped with muscle building. And I believe my weight that I did for January was 138 or 139. I weighed myself today. I am 140.2. So you see, like, my weight goes up and down. And just last week, I was 139. So, and then a week before that, it was 138. And then before that was 142. So my weight literally fluctuates, okay? And also remember, I did a solo date on Sunday. So your girl ate, okay? She had her some Outback and she had cheesecake. Baby, talk dirty to me because it was so delicious. So, I had 2 days of eating on that cheesecake because that cheesecake was enough to feed three, but I ate it in two. All right. Also, I wanted to share with you that I did take my injection. I took my injection. So I'm back on the 5 milligrams. I did get a new box. I mentioned that a few weeks ago. So I went 3 weeks without taking any injections. My last injection, I believe it was January 15th on a Wednesday. I didn't take it last week. So I just went ahead and just took it this Wednesday, which was, what is today? The 7th. Go backwards. 6, 5. So on the 5th, on Wednesday, is when I took my first injection for the month. I said, let me just go ahead and take it at the beginning of the month. That way, I already know that, okay, so March, the first Wednesday of March, just go ahead and take the injection. 75 soft challenge, girl, I have been killing it. So as you saw, like my gains, it's improving, it's doing better. And then with me taking the creatine, I can't wait to see what my muscle growth would look like in March. So you got to make sure that you stick around, honey, because I have so many new things that are coming up. I have a little secret to tell you that I'm going to be sharing with you within the next couple of days. I've already created it thanks to my coach. Yes, ma'am. I'll share those details a little bit later. But if she's watching, she knows exactly what I'm talking about because I created it. Yes, ma'am. I just got to, do the little lineup so that you can have something to view. Okay, if you catch my drift. But nevertheless, what was I gonna say? Baby, for that coffee, baby. My gains is improving, and if you're not following me, honey, please make sure that you are following me because this channel is just going to be strictly about you know, the weight loss tips, the fitness that I'm going, that the fitness that I am producing home workout content and also lifestyle vlogs, you know, the lifestyle vlogs like grocery shopping with me, grocery hauls, and all of those things, and that I do produce here on this channel. This channel will be changing, and I just told you what this channel is going to be strictly about. So that can kind of like give you a little tip on what I was talking about a few seconds ago. But and drop down in the comment section, honey, let me know, have you been taking creatine? I know a few ladies in the community, they're taking creatine, like Simply Taisha, and then Traces of Twan's like, she got her little creatine too, so she's gonna be taking that. She's getting muscle gain. She's seeing them cuts, them lines in them arms. Girl, if you ain't got some creatine, what are you doing? All right, you know, February 6th was my year of when I first started the Wegovy. This is not my second year on Zepbound. Next month will be my first year of completion of Zepbound. It was March 20 something. I'll let you know, and I will do an anniversary update on that, because that's where a majority of my weight loss fell off, with Zepbound, not with Wegovy. I keep saying it wrong, but nevertheless, okay. Goodbye, gorgeous.